Meaning of explicitness.
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 Explicitness. Explicitness refers to the quality of being clear, specific, and unambiguous, leaving no room for confusion or doubt. It encompasses the use of plain language in direct communication that allows the audience to easily understand the intended message without any hidden meanings or interpretations. Explicitness is vital in various settings, including legal documents, instructional materials, and interpersonal communication, as it aids in preventing misunderstandings, misinterpretations, and conflicts. Therefore, being explicit when communicating can enhance understanding, promote transparency, and improve overall communication effectiveness.